Today with Reeve, we're gonna make slime! 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 Welcome to Everything with Reeve! Today we're gonna make slime. First, add 2/3 cups of glue. Next, add 1/4 cup of water. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That was weird. Next, mix. My favorite part of slime is squishing the slime after. I feel like everything after making cookies, it's funner to eat them. After making slime, after you're done doing the work, it's funner. Next, add 2 cups of shaving cream. This is my stuff my dad uses to shave. This one is the biggest. Next, mix again. Next, mix. I want it to be purple because I like purple and my sister likes purple. To my sister, this is my favorite color, but it's actually blue. Next, dump in 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. Oh, it's grouping. Oh, it's good. It feels good. It feels goopy though. Like shaving cream. I am a zombie. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can make a bubble. Now I can play all I want. If you want to play with your slime and not have to have to scrub it off, then I recommend you put lotion on. Thanks for doing Everything with Reeve! Bye! But if you want, you can add more food dye.